He can fly this aircraft, the vector thrust Eurosports 3D aircraft. Never been done before in an air show. You're watching history being made this day. I've got some very good news for you children. There's going to be a toffee drop after 2 o'clock. At 10 past 3, right? It's well after 2 o'clock, it's 20 to 3. They're waiting for the Piper Pawnee to take off in a minute. Copy that, Noodle, guys. Yeah, Mick? You're in charge. There it is, look, the hover ring there. Oh, he touched the ground. Oh, dear. Oh, my giddy arm. My giddy arm.